My name is Erik Greenberg, and I would love to introduce you to the Academies of Math and Science and our mission, vision, and values. The first one is reviewing our mission. Our mission states, through a well-rounded education, we transform today's scholars into tomorrow's global visionaries. What that means is we equip students with a top quality education and empower them to succeed in not just their academic life, but also their personal life as well. We do that by creating a very simple vision. At AMS, we want to provide the best education and also in the best environment. We are definitely a results-oriented school system, and we are focused on great academics, great employees, and great service to our families. This is the only way in which we can accomplish our mission, and we take that very seriously. We take a lot of pride and have fun doing it along the way. In addition to the mission and vision at AMS, we have very important values that we commit to living and upholding in each of our respective positions and in all that we do on a daily basis. Number one is do whatever it takes. We are not bound by job descriptions. We believe very strongly in the service that we give to our students, our families, and to each other. So we do whatever it takes to get the job done and be successful. Number two, we act with honor. Every day, everything that we do, we're going to act with honor. We want to make our mothers proud, if you will. And then the third one is we're going to be vulnerable, candid, and kind. We believe that in order to be the best, we need to be vulnerable with opportunities to improve. We're going to be candid with feedback. We're going to be candid in our information and reports that we give to each other, to our families, to our students. But we're going to do that in a way that is kind. We're going to show respect and be kind to all of those around us. All of those put together drive how we operate on a daily basis. Now I want to take a couple minutes and walk you through the goals that we have at AMS. With our vision being the best education and the best environment, we have two very simple goals that we are going to hold ourselves accountable. The first one is that AMS will achieve and maintain A-rated schools. This is important because it holds ourselves accountable to continuously improving in our academic instruction, the intervention that we provide students, and the continuous resources that we provide our staff and students in order to achieve academic success. The second one is to have full schools. We want all AMS schools to be 100% fully staffed and fully enrolled. Again, this allows for the maximum amount of support given to our staff and students and to allow a better environment by which they can be successful. In order to achieve the goal of the best education, we have three key priorities that we are focused on. And our first priority is to use data to close academic gaps. This is important because we need to understand where our students are on a daily basis along their academic journey. By utilizing data, we can know what they need and how we can deploy services, intervention, and support in order for them to overcome those gaps and achieve academic success. The second one is teacher, staff, and leader development. We as a network at AMS want to ensure that our staff, our teachers, our leaders develop the skills on a daily basis to improve the instruction in the classroom. If we are going to challenge our students to get better on a daily basis, we also challenge our staff, our teachers, and our leaders to be better and develop on a daily basis as well. The third one is we're going to continuously reimagine academic support and evaluate our curriculum. We need to meet the needs of our students of today, and these needs are continuously changing. As a network, we are going to be very active and present in our schools so that we know what support, what resources are needed for them on a daily basis to achieve these goals. For our second goal, the best environment, we have three key priorities that will hold ourselves accountable to achieving 100% full schools when it comes to staffing and enrollment. The first one is very important. It's timely, clear, and concise information. With one of our values being vulnerable, candid, and kind, it's important for us to always look to provide clear communication, whether that be to parents, to staff, to students, etc. We are going to continuously look for opportunities to provide clear and concise communication. Number two is one that's near and dear to my heart, and that's creating community. We want to create a community in each classroom, each campus, with parents, with students, with staff, and all across AMS combined. We can do this by creating a community within each of our communities and creating a larger community within all of AMS by staying true to our mission, our vision, our values, and as a network, moving toward similar goals. The third priority is to provide superior family experience. In addition to the academic support and academic instruction that we're going to provide our students, we want our parents, all families, and even our staff to feel like AMS is more than just a school. We, through our events, through our communication, through the connection we have with our community, we want to do that all with a sense of providing an excellent and superior service to all of our families, students, and staff. We have created a very simple diagram that lists out our mission, vision, our values, our goals, and our priorities. And I really invite all of you to take a moment to review that, look at it, and challenge yourself to identify ways in which you can incorporate it on a daily basis. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the Academies of Math and Science. As you can see, we're very passionate about what we do, and I want to invite you to join us in carrying out our mission, achieving our vision, and living our values on a daily basis.